Hi students, we are going to see application of matrices and determinants exercise 1.4. In this exercise, we see Grammar's rule. Grammar's rule means given the system of linear equations are a11x, a12y, a13z equal to b1, a21x, a22y, a23z equal to b2, a31x, a32y, a33z equal to b3. Three equations given. Okay, first you have to write delta. Delta means write the coefficients a11, a21, a31, a12, a22, a32, a13, a23, a33. Delta 1 means leave the x values and write the constants. Write the constant. Now second column write, third column write, and simplify. Delta 2 means first column you have to write, second column leave it and write the constant b1, b2, b3. Third column you have to write and simplify. Delta 3, first column, second column you have to write, and the third column b1, b2, b3, that is a z value, leave it and write b1, b2, b3. Simplify. By Grammar's rule, x equal to delta 1 by delta, that is the value of delta 1 divided by value of delta. Y equal to the value of delta 2 divided by delta. Z equal to the value of delta 3 by delta. That is a Grammar's rule. Now see the first sum. Solve the following system of linear equation by Grammar's rule. Two equations given. 5x minus 2y plus 16 equal to 0, plus 16 go to that side, minus 16, x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0, now minus 7 go to that side, plus 7. Now write delta. Delta means write the coefficient 5 minus 2, 1, 3. Simplify. 15 plus 2, 17 not equal to 0. Delta 1 means leave this x value. Write the constant minus 16, 7, and write the second column and simplify. Minus 48 plus 14, here all minus, formula minus, plus 14 equal to minus 34. It's a very important condition, delta not equal to 0. Very important condition in grammar rule, delta not equal to 0. Then only Grammar's rule is applicable. Delta 2 equal to, write the first column and leave the second column and write the coefficient minus 16, 7. Okay, simplify. 35 plus 16 equal to 51. By Grammar's rule, the value is x equal to delta 1 by delta 1 by delta. Delta 1 minus 34 by 17, cancel, minus 2. Y equal to delta 2 by delta, that is 51 by 17 equal to 3. Therefore, we get x equal to minus 2, y equal to 3. And similarly, second sum, 3 by x plus 2y equal to 12, 2 by x plus 3y equal to 13. Here divided by x is there. Then let 1 by x equal to a, y equal to b. That means the equation can be written 3a plus 2b equal to 12, 2a plus 3b equal to 13. Delta equal to, write the coefficient 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, simplify. 9 minus 4, 5 not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 is very important. Delta 1, now leave this first column and write the constant 12, 13, and simplify. 36 minus 26 equal to 10. And next find delta 2, write the first column, leave the second column, write the constant 12 and 13, simplify. 39 minus 24 equal to 15. Here the unknowns are a and b. Unknowns are a and b. A equal to delta 1 by delta, that is 10 by 5 equal to 2. B equal to delta 2 by delta, that is 15 by 5 equal to 3. Now find x. X equal to, take reciprocal 1 by a. 1 by a means 1 by 2. y equal to the same b equal to 3. அப்போ x equal to 1 by 2, y equal to 3. Third sum, 3 equations given. Delta equal to, write the coefficient 3, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2, 4, 3, 2. Simplify using first row. Expanding by first row, we get the answer is minus 22, not equal to 0. Delta 1 means leave this first column, write the constant 11, 9, 25 and write the second column, third column as it is. Now simplify 11 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 3 into 18 plus minus 50 minus 1 into 27 plus 25. Simplify, we get minus 44. What's the value? Minus 44. Delta 2 equal to, what's the meaning? First column you have to write, second column leave it and write the coefficient. Third column write as it is. Okay. Now simplify 3 into 18 minus 50 minus 11, 4 minus 8. Next minus 1, 50 minus 36. Simplify, we get minus 66. Delta 3, similarly, first column, second column, you have to write as it is and write the third column coefficients 11, 9, 25. Simplify 3 into minus 25 minus 27 minus 3 into 50 minus 36 plus 11 into 6 minus plus 4. Simplify, we get minus 88. By Grammar's rule, x equal to delta 1 by delta, that is minus 44 divided by minus 22 equal to 2. Y equal to minus 66 divided by minus 22, 3. Z equal to minus 88 divided by minus 22, 4. Therefore, x equal to 2, y equal to 3, z equal to 4. Fourth sum, 3 by x minus 4 by y minus 2 by z equal to minus 1 equal to 0. Now write minus 1, go to that side, plus 1. Write the equation. Okay. And similarly, 1 by x plus 2y plus 1 by z minus 2, go to that side, plus 2. Here also 2 by x minus 5 by y minus 4 by z plus 1, go to that side, minus 1. Okay, right. And here 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, take a equal to 1 by x, b equal to 1 by y, c equal to 1 by z. That means 3a minus 4b minus 2c equal to 1, a plus 2b plus c equal to 2, 2a minus 5b minus 4c equal to minus 1. Delta means write the coefficient 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, minus 4, 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 1, minus 4. Simplification, you know, expanding by first row. Simplify, we get minus 15 not equal to 0. Delta 1 means now the constant is 1, 2, minus 1. In the first column 1, 2, minus 1. Second column, third column as it is. Okay. Now simplify, we get minus 15. Delta 2 constant 1, 2, minus 1. Write in the second column. First column, third column, write as it is. Okay. And simplify, we get minus 5. Delta 3. Delta 3, write the constant in third column. First column, second column, write as it is. Okay. Now simplify, we get minus 5. Here the unknowns are a, b, c. Appo a equal to delta 1 by delta, that is minus 15 divided by minus 15 equal to 1. B equal to delta 2, that is minus 5 divided by minus 15. Simplify, 1 by 3. C equal to delta 3 minus 5 divided by minus 15, 1 by 3. X equal to reciprocal 1 by a, that is 1. Y equal to 1 by b, b reciprocal 3. Z equal to 1 by c, c reciprocal 3. Therefore, x equal to 1, y equal to 3, Z equal to 3. Thank you, students.